Hi guys, it's Ben Heath from Lead Guru, and in this video I'm going to talk about the ideal Facebook video ad length. Now this is a question that I get asked all the time. How long should my video ads be? Well, we've run a bunch of experiments, we've got a pretty good idea of what works best, and that's what I'm going to cover today. So the first thing I'll say about video ads on Facebook is they should be as long as they need to be, but absolutely no longer than that. You have to remember that attention spans online, in Facebook in particular, are very short. The Facebook newsfeed is a very interesting place with lots of distractions. So we don't want to make it any longer than it needs to be. But the reason why I say it needs to be as long as it needs to be is you shouldn't cut yourself short in order to produce a short video. Let's say you're creating educational content and you're advertising that on Facebook. Well, you want to make sure that you explain the concepts in that educational content fully. Don't jeopardize the value of your content by trying to produce a really short video. Make sure it's as long as it needs to be and fully explain what it is that you're talking about. Because at the end of the day, if you're looking to educate your target market, that's the objective of your video content. If you don't take enough time to actually explain it properly, there's no point in running the ad in the first place. So from what I've seen, the best length of educational video content on Facebook is around about 2 to 4 minutes long. Of course, you could go over that if you're explaining something particularly complex or there's many points that you want to discuss, but I wouldn't recommend it. Remember, attention spans on Facebook are very short. The Facebook newsfeed is a very interesting and engaging place, and if the video is too long, people will see, oh, that's 9 minutes long, that's 15 minutes long, and they won't bother watching to the end. I wouldn't go much shorter than 2 minutes either, because remember, you're going to have your intro, which may take 10-15 seconds, and then you're probably going to have some sort of call to action at the end, whether that's buy your products, inquire about your services, or whatever it is. That might take around about 30 seconds. So when you start getting beneath that 2-minute mark, you haven't got enough time to deliver real valuable content in the middle. So something around about 3 minutes, 2 to 4 minutes is perfect. Gives you enough time for an intro and a call to action and to deliver some really great actionable content in the middle without it being too long so that people get bored and stop watching. Now, one obvious caveat to this is product demonstration video. So in that case, the video really just needs to be as long as it takes for you to demonstrate your product. You know, if you've got something very complex that needs to be constructed, but it's a very high-end purchase, then you're going to need a longer video. Most product demonstration videos, though, are going to be really short, and that's great. If it can be short and still get the message across, then go for that. And of course, if you're looking to promote entertaining video ads on Facebook, then the length really depends on how entertaining your video actually is. You could probably get away with a 10-12 minute video if it's very entertaining, really engaging, really holds people's attention. Most entertaining videos are going to be quite short, and in that case, feel free to go under that sort of 2-minute guideline minimum that I recommended for educational videos. So that's what I'd recommend for the ideal Facebook video ad length. And if you are looking to get better results from Facebook than what you're currently getting, we can almost certainly help you with that. Lead Guru is a digital marketing agency that specializes in Facebook advertising, and we've run many profitable campaigns in many different industries. We've run campaigns designed to generate leads, to build email lists, to make direct sales, to grow a company's brand. So whatever it is that you're looking to achieve on Facebook, we can almost certainly help you get there faster. So if you are interested in working with us and interested in our services, then you can let us know by leaving a comment below, or you can click on the link in the video description. That'll take you through to the contact page on our website. You'll obviously be able to get in touch there. So hopefully I'll speak to you soon, but either way, best of luck with your Facebook video ads, and bye for now.